Hi everyone, this is Prakash from Logoland. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna cover how to create florist logo, but that logo gonna be in the vintage style. Okay, I request you to stay with me till end of this video. If you didn't subscribe my channel so far, please don't forget to subscribe my channel right now. I know you are very excited to learn this, so let's start. So let's start. So on the screen right now you can see I have two photos. I have downloaded from the Google, so you can also download from the Google whatever picture of the flower you want. You can go for that. So there's two photos I have downloaded. So let's start. So as you can see, these photo cannot move. I have set this photo already. You go and check in the layer. I have already set them as a template so that they cannot move. Okay, on other layer I'm going to create the flower. I will have actually the vector data on the first layer. So let's start this. So first I would like to create this flower, okay, in the vintage look. So what I have to do is I will start creating this with the blob brush. So on the keyboard I'm going to press shift B for the blob brush. So here you can come to the setting. Let's see what is the setting here. I'm going to have appropriate setting. So I don't want it to be holes, the purely smooth. I just want it to be here, somewhere here. Fidelity. I just want this to be here for the fidelity, and the pressure. Okay, we can set it pressure sensitive, and size. I'm going to set it to 15 by 15 actually. Okay, press OK. So this is how it will work. So you can enlarge the size if you want by using the parentheses under the backspace key. There are two parentheses. By using those you can play with this. So this will work like this. If you want to have one end tapper, you can have the pressure on pen very light. If you really want to have the stroke thick, you can have the pressure on the pen, so you can work like so. Okay, so let's start. First, the first thing I have to decide the color for the vintage. What color should be there? So for the stroke I'm going to define color. I'm going to add color into the swatches. It's going to be, according to me, maybe you can go for the brown, charcoal brown kind of color here. So I would like to have the blue color. I would like to have blue, this one. Okay, and I will drag and drop here. Okay, so let's start. So you can decide how much thick you want the stroke to be. Okay, so I'm going to start from here. Okay, keep going. We have to keep going like so. So in the end, I think pressure should have been actually little like so. Here it has been so thick. Okay, I will take care later on while working. So we'll tackle this. So sorry. Like this. So I will start from here. So now I'm going to start from here. Okay, so I'm done with the stroke. I'm going to take a stroke apart. So what I'm going to do is select all the stroke and make them unite. Select. Okay, now there's some little thing I need to get rid of this. Select and delete this one. So we have a stroke color, that's okay. Now I need to have fill color as well. To add the fill color, I should have some shape over here. To select select the element and take a shape builder tool by pressing shift M on your keyboard. Maybe you can come over here, just click inside this hollow area, so you can have shapes. Okay, so it has been grouped actually. Let's press Ctrl Shift G to ungroup. Okay, I maybe you can come over here, ungroup. Okay, shortcut was not working. Okay, so select all these 5 petals, and instead of adding this white and gray color, I would like to have pink kind of color. So I'm going to create a pink color. It should not be so much vibrant and saturated. I just, because I'm creating it as a vintage, so I just want it to be little dull and vintage kind of classic kind of color, dirty color. So I would like to have this color. Okay, so I know it is not, it is looking a little weird into the center. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to create some darkness, dark shadow here. So to create that, I will prefer to have pencil tool. You can press N key on your keyboard. Maybe you can come over here. Now let's, so you can create like so. The color I want have it to be the same as this stroke color, dark stroke, like so. So I need to create the this color shade separately. So I'm going to take the help of pencil tool. That's great. If you want, you can go and check its setting. So smooth, it is smooth. Okay, fidelity is smoothen. Here I'm going to, okay, so let's select all these elements, deselect these. Okay, we got these. So I'm going to make them unite. Okay, and I would like to have white color, and let's cut it and let's paste behind this. Okay, so white color is not this much white and bright color is not uh, suiting actually. I don't want it to be like so. So select this one. I just want it to be little lighter pink. So let's take it transparency down. That's great. Okay, now now we what we have to do is finally we have to create some stroke to make it feel like a little more vintage kind of look. So I'm going to take again blob brush tool. So this time I'm going to okay, setting is okay according to me. So we have to create stroke with this color. Okay, now let's create some stroke. Okay, now I'm going to take this color and it should be, sorry, it is not actually going transparent. It should be transparent. Actually I have picked color from here, so I just want to be transparent. It is not transparent. Let's make it transparent like so. Okay, I'm taking the brush size down. Okay, so we have to create little noisy. We have to create little noise like so. Accidentally I have created this circle. I'm going to get rid of this circle. Okay, Now let's get rid of this extra part. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this blue color and taking its opacity down. Okay, maybe let's take black color. So my idea is to create some dark shadow. Something messed up actually. I think our stroke has been shifted. Maybe stroke, maybe petal. Okay, this petal has been shifted actually. I'm correcting its position. Okay, so let's create a group. Control G. So here we go. One flower is ready. I hope you understood the whole procedure. So it's time to create this one. Let's create this one. Shift B for Blob Brush tool. Okay. Now we need to create the petals. So we have to create shapes. So take this apart. So I'm going to take the shape builder tool, Shift M, and create shapes. Now select all the shapes with the select all these shapes by holding Control plus Shift key on your keyboard, and Control X for cut and paste in back. And let's pick this color. You can make sure which color you like. You can go for that. So I would like. So I'm going to. Okay, that's okay. I need to create this dark shadow in this in the center actually. You are seeing the center. I'm going to create that. So let's take the pencil tool. Okay, you have to create the same kind of stuff that I have created in the earlier flower design. Okay, let's add the same color. Falling on the edge of the leaves on the petal. So you can create like so. Okay, select all the elements, press Ctrl G to make them group. So we need to create this stem coming out of the flower. So let's create this one. So it seems it is not taper on the top, so it seems a straight line. So I'm going to have it to the fix. So let's create with the dark color. Okay, Okay, like so it will be okay. So I'm going to select it, and let's switch this fill color to the stroke by pressing Shift X, and I'm going to make the stroke size little bit thick. Okay, select this one, and let's expand. Okay, expand this, and let's add a shape into this one with the help of shape builder tool, and give it a bright color. Okay, now we need to add these elements which is coming out of this stem. So let's add. So I'm going to set it to the pressure sensitive. So something like this. Okay, so we can create bird kind of stuff at the top of these spiky stems, like so. Okay, so now what we have to do is let's change its color to the red. I'm going to press Ctrl G to make them group, and that color and stroke. So stroke color must be same as this one. So let's come to the stroke and add this stroke color, and size thickness of the stroke. Okay, now so we can create some noise here. Something like this. Let's control. Let's select all the elements and get rid of this. Make group and Control X. Select this one, paste it back like so. Okay. So we can also create these small elements which you are seeing in the yellow color. So we can create over here. So what I will do is take this color, take the blob brush. So let's first make group out of this. Now here, now we can create yellow color, yellow one. Okay. Okay, it will work. Control G for group. So this is our second flower and this one is the first flower. Let's create one more flower. Keep them apart. Okay, I'm going to create a center of the flower first. So with the help of pencil tool, let's create. Okay, I'm going to add this dark color, dark one. Now we need to create petal. So in order to create the petal, what we can do is so we have to do like so. So this is the one petal and this is gonna be the second one. Let's get rid of this. I'm going to set it to the fix and let's get rid of this one as well. Do it again. Okay. Even you can draw with the help of pen tool if you want to have a nice curve. So whatever way you find feasible, you can go for that. So generally I use the Blob Brush tool to create anything. So I'm going to add, select this one, press Shift M on a keyboard and add a shape. So in this yellow color. Okay. So I'm going to create more petals first. Pick this color. Okay. Select this one. Select. Okay, and add a shape. Select and add a shape. Yellow color. Okay. So let's add some detail. First, I would like to add some orange highlight here. Let's add. Sorry. Okay. Let's undo because the earlier one I created was not good. So I'm going to create again. Okay. Let's check this one. So this path is also open path. So let's close this one, get to this line and connect, select both the anchor point and join. Okay, select, add orange color. Let's add orange. So I'm going to take the orange a little down. Okay, select these three petal and make group, Control G for group. Okay, take this up, select, Control C, copy and paste in back, and take this rotate tool, press R and make the center registration point over here and rotate. Okay, you don't need to be perfect. Again, copy, paste, press R on the keyboard and specify the registration point to the center here and then drag. Okay, let's add some randomization. So let's set it, select this one and this one, Control X, cut and paste in back and make it small and set it properly. Actually, something like this. Let's do the same with this one, Control X, paste in back, Control G, group, and Control G, group. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all and deselect this one. Okay, let's Control G and create some stroke. Let's enter into the isolation mode. Here we can create some stroke with the same dark color, and this time I'm going to set it to the pressure sensitive. Okay, we have to create the same stroke as we have created in the earlier design of flower. This is very easy. Okay, here you can add some strokes. Okay, this I think we need to bump up this orange color. Actually, double click and press Y for this magic wand tool and click. Okay, now we need to bump up this one, orange color. Now it looks okay. Let's get out of this isolation mode, and let's make it little smaller like this. Okay, select this one, copy, paste in back, and rotate like this. Maybe we can flip it and then rotate. Okay, flip it again. This is okay. Now we can make further copy and paste in back, and let's enlarge their size and rotate them. Okay, select these last two, copy, paste in back, select this one, enlarge the size. So actually I don't want to make it perfect, otherwise we can use the rotate tool to rotate in the perfect manner with the same angle. I just want it to be some random gap. Okay, so I'm quite happy with this. Okay, let's create some noise kind of elements in the center of this. So I'm going to use this yellow color, so we can create some strokes and like these lines like so. In the center we can increase the population of these small strokes, and as of this we can have few. Actually we cannot go to beef of the population of these. Here in the center we can. Okay, so select all the elements. Here we can do something to fill up this area. So let's go inside the isolation mode and let's copy one of the petal, Control G. Okay, copy, paste in back. So here we can fill this area. Select all element, Control G. Okay, now we need to create a basket. So for this what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a rectangle horizontally. Let's add stroke color, and then the fill color going to be, I think it's going to be wood. So let's add brown kind of color, brown type color. This would be okay. Yeah, this is okay. So I'm going to create detail. This is okay. Okay, so Control G for group and copy this one. Okay, so okay, it should be aligned at the top. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some detail into this one. These are the flat what we can say wood part that is in the that might be in the left side of this and the right side of this. So only this part is visible. Okay, so I'm going to add little detail, not much. Okay, that's it. Deselect, deselect this one, Control G, and delete this one. So let's copy this, copy and paste. Okay, and copy and paste. Set this here. Let's select, match the height to this one, and little, it should be little broader. Now copy paste here. Okay, let's add the same thing at the bottom. Okay, Control G to group. And now what we can do it, let's make it small little bit. I'm going to add some lighter stroke. To make some highlight actually. Now let's group again. So we can position this flower somewhere here. Control X, paste in front. And take this flower as well. And this one as well. Control X, paste in front. Okay. Let's set its position. I think we need to select this color and let's take the color a little vibrant or maybe light. This pink. We can make more variation out of these and select pink and turn this pink to other color. It may be blue one. Okay. Flip to make it look random. Even we can have the white one as well. So few things actually we need to have some petal and branches with leaves, so we need to add. So let's take this dark color. Okay, first we need to create a few leaves. We can create leaves with the help of pen tool. So I'm going to create leaves. Something like this. Okay, let's make it round. It is actually pointed, so let's make this round. Let's rotate this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some green, obviously green color. So let's add green color. This one. Okay, maybe let's alter this color in this one. So, and the stroke gonna be this with the going to be same color. Let's add two. Same here. Okay, it will work. So let's add these. Let's set. Okay. Let's add one at the top, like so. So select and make them smaller. When these are going at the top, so we can make them smaller. Okay, let's add some randomness. Select these leaves and branch, Ctrl G group and Ctrl X, paste them back. So we can show them in the background actually, like this. Okay, we can add a flower over this if you want. Okay, so we're here. If we let's get rid of this. Now let's add flower. Rotate it so we can make it face in the right direction. Okay. Select these two, Ctrl G. Let's get rid of this small chunk. Okay, Now I'm going to add this color. Okay. So first I'm going to create group. Let's go and enter into the group. Here we can add, first I'm going to create yellow color, yellow one. Okay, so here we can add some element. Take this color and make a stroke around them. So let's get out of this. Okay. Let's add one point here so that we can take it down. We have to make it look like it is coming behind, coming up with, yeah, now that's great. So here, let's come inside, go inside, and let's add some dark stroke. Okay. So I'm going to copy this one. And let's copy this one as well. Control X, paste in front. Let's add this one. Control X, paste in front. So you can create as many as flower and elements you want to create, you can add. So that solely depends on your thought, what you actually want from you and your requirement. What is your requirement actually. So through this class I just want to let you know how you can create flowers and vintage kind of stuff. If you learn this right now from this video, so you will be able to create anything which is gonna be vintage. So this is the same procedure we need to use in everything. Even we are going to create some character. So I will be creating more videos on drawing vintage character, human characters actually. So make it smaller. So I'm going to copy this one and paste to make it look, to make this look like some, paste it back. Let's add this here. So I would like to change its color. change this color to this one, vibrant. It is looking nice actually. Let's take this up. So in the same way, we can create more branches going down with leaves and flowers. We can decorate it as much as you want. Okay. So I think this has been little vibrant, so let's take it. I think this is okay. I think it's okay. So we can draw one flower here. At the bottom, you can draw one flower. Let's change the color. Press Y to access Magic Wand tool. Click on red. So it will help you just selecting the red color. Okay, it has been red color has been selected actually. Now you can change its color. I would like to have it to be purple. Or maybe we can also drop this color down here, maybe on this point. Okay, select all and Control G. So lastly, what I have to do is I'm going to create actually some shadow under this. So I'm going to take the same color as this dark one. So you have to create like this. Just go and keep creating strokes. So first I would like to select all these strokes, take them down, Control X, paste it back. Okay, copy paste in front. So like this we can create it. We can increase its quantity, make it look even more dense. Control G group, make them smaller like so. And let's go inside the isolation mode of the stroke. Let's make little dark here at the bottom of this basket like so. Let's do the same thing under the flower. Okay, let's come out of this isolation mode like so. I hope you understood how to create this. So let's name this shine flower, shine flowers. So I'm looking for the font which looks vintage, same as this one. So I would like to use bulge. You can go for this one. It's looking nice. So even you can add some butterfly here if you like to actually have. Small s, small f. It is looking nice, I think. It will work nice. Color must be same as this color, maybe little darker than this one. At the bottom I'm going to add established date, SINC, since 2022 suppose, and the font going to be colors regular under this one. We can consider it as a tagline, maybe something like this. Control G group and make them center. Make them center. We can do more thing. What we can do is Control G ungroup. Take this. Sorry. Control Shift G ungroup. Ungroup. So expand this. Expand. I'm going to create actual shadow. Expand. Now let's go to the object menu back, and path. Here we can choose offset path. So I'm going to add value 1.5, 1.43, whatever you like. Okay. Select all the elements and unite. Okay. You may have noticed the thickness of the text has been little increased. So this is what I wanted actually. Copy and paste in front. Let's add some other color so that it could be visible. So we have I'm taking it up. The text which is actually on the top position, I'm going to take it up and sliding it to the left. Okay. So select all, ungroup. You have to keep ungrouping until you have all. Okay, ungroup from here. So you have to keep ungrouping until you have all the letters individually. Now this is what we have actually. Okay, select and then choose minus front. Select one by one and keep doing so. So after adding shadow, text will look even more awesome. Position this. Now we have to make sure it should not be overlap. We have to set it little off than the main text. So shadow in the black color, in the dark one, it is not looking good. So let's make it little lighter. Maybe the gray color, like so. Okay, let's Control G, all group. So I hope you understood everything in this logo I have taught you. In vintage kind of stuff, when it comes to create, you have to use the dark stroke and you have to play with the colors. Like I also played with the colors. You may have seen, you may have noticed I have used dull color, not very bright and vibrant color. So you can also perform the same thing. I hope you understood everything and whole procedure. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video very useful to you. So don't forget to give a like and subscribe my channel right now. What you have learned from today's video, just let me know by commenting in the comment box. And I'm gonna see you in my next video with new concept. Till then, be safe. Bye bye. Thank you.